Alright, here's a little update on the air ride kit that I put on over the weekend with the help of a buddy. As you can see here, you got one spring taken out, and you got the air ride bracket put on, the bag. You add two shocks. You got to relocate the shock from factory back, and you add a second one on. Kind of helps take the bump steer and stuff like that out. Got that fitting on top of the airbag. Ran 1/2-inch airline that runs all the way up, and I got mine running this valve right here. It's electric over air solenoid, and that runs into the cab. Same thing on this side. Runs up. This is the air ride valve solenoid. There's no leveling valves on these. Everything runs into the cab. Then on mine, I'll show you that in the cab. I have mine run off of cruise control set resume switch. It's a factory switch. Up to raise it, down to dump it. And it shuts off. I run mine off this air suspension load gauge. Usually when I'm at 50 PSI is usually what I know I'm good at to run down the road. And that's just a factory gauge. So, well, that's update on the air ride kit. Thanks.